Once upon a time, there was a little dog named Daryl. Daryl loved to go exploring. He loved to sniff all the flowers in the gardens. Beautiful. Lovely. Well, along came his friends. Hey, Daryl. Daryl, you want to go explore the garbage cans down the alley down on 27th Street? Oh, sure, said Daryl. I love getting into the garbage cans. Oh, yeah, they have some good food. So off they went. Daryl and his friends went down to the 27th Street in the back alley for the garbage cans. Hey guys, this looks great. Daryl and his friends found 4 trash cans full of garbage. They were so excited. Let's dig in, guys. I found a sandwich. It's like yummy. What are you guys eating? I have no idea, said Scruffy. Do you know, Gray Bones? No idea. And they kept eating and eating. Daryl loved his sandwich. He ate it all up. Oh, I'm feeling sick. I'm feeling sick. I'm feeling sick. Oh, I'm feeling sick. Oh, somebody help me. Daryl's friends ran off to get his mom. Soon Daryl's mother was on the scene. Oh, Daryl, Daryl, my little dog Daryl, you look so sick. Oh, Daryl. And his mom took him to see Dr. Shepherd. Little Daryl and his mother were waiting for Dr. Shepherd. Ruff, ruff. Oh, what can I do for you today, little Daryl? Oh, my tummy hurts so bad I don't know what to do, Dr. Shepherd. Well, why don't you jump up on the examination chair? So that's what Daryl did. Whoop. Check the temperature. Listen to your heart. Yep, sounds great. Oh, what's that smell? I smell honey. I think little Daryl must have got into some honey. Oh, I didn't know Daryl got into some honey. Oh, dear. Oh, yeah, little dogs, Daryl, are not supposed to have honey. Oh, no, it's not good for them. You can be a big dog and have honey, but little dogs, not so good. Well, we'll get them fixed up in no time. Don't you worry. I feel so much better. Dr. Shepherd, thank you for taking care of me. Daryl jumped down and joined his mother. You're so welcome, little Daryl. Just remember, little dogs cannot have honey. Don't forget to get a treat before you leave, but don't eat honey. That's only for big dogs. Thank you, Dr. Shepherd. You're so welcome. Off I go now. He's such a nice doctor. I feel so much better. Daryl felt so good. He loved exploring. Hey, Daryl, how you feeling? Oh, I feel so much better. But guess what? Little dogs like us, we cannot have honey. Oh, good to know. Is that what made you sick? Oh boy, did it ever. So never eat honey until you're a big dog. So the 3 of them went off and did not eat honey and had a great day. duck for donuts.
Oh, hello there. Ellie here. Okay, so we're going to practice the little duh today, and I wanted to show you something simple before we get into practicing it over and over. Okay, so as you know, little duhs are a circle letter, and they go away from the honey line. So you could have a big person help you with this. You could just fold this in half, make a little line across, and have a clock at the bottom. It takes up 2 spaces, and starting at the 2 or the cherry, up to the top of the clock, all the way around, then up the slide and down the slide. Okay, so there's our cover letter sheet. And then we have some flour. There's our honey line. Remember, they go away from the honey. Little dogs cannot have honey. Oh no. Start at the 2 or the cherry, go around, and then up the slide and down the slide. Okay, so you can practice that and have fun with that. And then we'll get out our cover letter sheet with all the lines and practice. Okay, and then we're going to write our little duh for little Daryl the dog on this cover letter sheet. I have copy paper, and remember, a big person can help you. You fold it in half, you make a thick line in the middle, and you take each half and fold that over, and then draw a skinny line. Okay, and so I have a couple little clocks here ready, because a little duh is a circle letter, and so we're going to start at the 2, and then we're going to go up to the 12, all the way around and make a complete circle, and then up the slide, and then down the slide. Okay, let's do another one. Start at 2, all the way around, up the slide, and down the slide. Okay, and then we just have a couple little cherries, so we don't have a clock on every single one. All the way around, up and down. All the way around, up and down. And of course, they go away from the honey line. Okay, remember, little dogs cannot have honey. Oh no, it makes their tummy sick. Oh no, no. So their noses go away from the honey line. Okay, now we have a big duh for a big dog, like a daddy dog. Okay, flip this over. All right, now big dogs, they can go to the honey line because they can have honey, so it doesn't hurt them. Oh yeah, so I'll put that over there, my assistant, thank you. And a big duh is a line letter, so we start at the cherry, we go all the way down to the bottom, all the way back up in one big bubble. Yeah, that's a big duh. And start at the top, all the way down, all the way back up in one big bubble. Duh. Down, up, and bubble. Down, up, and a big bubble. Yeah, there's our big duh for daddy dog. You can put a nose over there and an eye, and there he is. He's smiling because he can have honey. But little dogs, they cannot. They go away from the honey line. Okay, voila.
Hi guys, Jerome here. I have the letter duh. Assistant? Duh for door. Gonna take a knock at it. Here I come. No one's home. And I also have duh for ducks.
Hello, Ellie here. I have the letter duh right here. For daffodils. And also for dancers.
Hi guys, Jerome here. How's it going? Hey, we're gonna do some letter art. Yeah, goody, I love art. Okay, so today we're going over the little
duh. It's a letter D. We say duh. You know, you say the sound and you're already reading. Okay, so here's our little duh. Looks like Daryl. We turned him into a character. His nose is pointing away from the honey line, and we're gonna make him. Yeah, it'll be fun. Okay, so we'll put him right there and grab a marker. Maybe use a dark color so that you can see it. Stay away from yellow. Only use yellow for the honey line. Okay, so we are going to start at a cherry. Go ahead and put one about right there because you're going to go this way. Oh, put the honey line in first so you can see, which side not to go toward. Okay, put the honey line on there. Okay, very good. Okay, now get your marker. Start about here. And then remember, like Ellie showed you, we're going to go around a circle, up the slide and down the slide. Okay, so put a little cherry. Okay, now you're going to go around. All the way around, and then up the slide and down the slide. Yeah, like that, okay? Now we're going to make a circle, like this card. You can see it. Okay, so we're going to make a circle inside the duh, and then put a dot. Okay, and then we can draw like a nose down here. Good, and then a little line there. Go ahead and color it in. Okay, nice. And then we're going to turn this part right there into a loop for an ear. So you're going to loop it around. There you go. And you can get maybe a brown crayon, because that would probably work best on this. Color the eye patch in so it looks like Daryl. Yeah, like that. Good job. Okay, and then maybe the ear. And there's our little duh for Daryl. Good job. Okay, now let's set that aside. Okay, guys, now we're going to do the big duh, for daddy dog. Okay, so here's a daddy dog, and here's the little duh. Little dogs go away from the honey line. They cannot have honey. Oh, no, no, no. So their noses go away from the honey line, okay? But flip it over. Thank you, assistant. And the big duh, which you remember, you did this with Ellie. The nose goes to the honey line because they love to smell honey, and big dogs can eat honey. Yeah, they can. So we're gonna do a drawing of the big duh for Big Daddy Dog. Okay, so it's a line letter. So let's put it right there. Okay, let's make our honey line over here. Okay, so get the yellow and go ahead and draw a line. Okay, kind of scribble it in there. Our yellow is getting kind of dry. Okay, nice. Okay, now we're going to get a black marker so we can see this really well. And we're going to start at the tippy top, go all the way down, go all the way back up, and a big bubble toward the honey line. Okay, here we go. Start at the top, all the way down. Go back up to the very tippy top and a big bubble all the way down. Yeah, one big giant loop. And then put a nose right there. See? Like daddy dogs. Yeah. Go ahead and color it in. You can leave a shiny spot if you want. Yeah, like that. Okay. And we'll do a circle for the eye and a little half circle. Okay, so circle. Put a dot in there. Yeah, and then you're going to do like a half a circle because you're only going to see part of the other eye. Yeah, and then a dot. Oh, his nose is right in the honey line. Yeah, because he likes honey. Give him a smile. Yeah, and a little curvy line to make him really look happy. Then we got to give him some loops for some doggy ears. So starting up here, go ahead and give him some loops. There you go, and another one. Yeah. And then, let's see, let's get a brown crayon, and we can color them in. Here we go. Okay, so we can go ahead and color them in. Color the ears.
Oh, and don't forget the eyebrows. Okay, there they are. Okay, use your crayon. Make them heavy. And there's one hanging over. Yeah, there we go. Okay, you can color your dog whatever color you want. I was just following this card. All right, there's our big dog for Big Daddy Dog going to the honey line. Good job, guys.